I have in front of me the Amiko Mini Combo SE. This is a really high quality combo receiver. It has two tuners on it, a satellite tuner to bring in the free UK channels and also a terrestrial tuner for the Sairview or indeed Freeview channels if we're working in the UK. It has a T2 tuner on it. So it's there for all the free UK and Irish channels, all on a single box, working off a single remote control. It comes with free delivery, and it has extremely low levels of return, and it's coming from a brand name company. What I might do at this point here is I might just hop up very quickly just to show you the way we've grouped the channels to make it as easy as possible. So we're sending out these boxes fully pre-programmed. So if I come along and I press the OK button here, I can actually just go back to the red thing here. So we can have all the channels listed, or we have grouped channels as well. So if I go in here, we'll say, what we can do is we can see there's entertainment, movies, news, children, music, and they're all fully pre-programmed, ready to go. And indeed, if we look further down the list here, we can come down as far as the terrestrial here, and we'll see the terrestrial channels there. We can have it, and they'll be grouped in there into a single, easy to find section as well. So that just works out really conveniently. What we've really done an awful lot of work on already, we'll say, with some other set-top boxes is, particularly Saab and Odyssey and things like that, is that we're working where we have them not alone fully pre-programmed, but we have HTTP links in there. So if you have a Wi-Fi connection on your box, you can do an automatic channel updating onto it. And that's proved to be a massively convenient service for our customers, because it's effectively giving you a lot of FreeSat type features in terms of automatic channel updating. So if we come along here, exactly what are we going to get here? Well, we have the outer box that comes in. We have a user manual, which is in English. We have a 12 volt 2 amp power unit. We have a really good quality remote controls, both in terms of angle, range, and the usability of the buttons are quite chunky, and a set of AAA batteries. And if we come back to the main event here, really we're on talking about the set-top box. So we'll see we have a digital display on the front of the unit here. We have a channel up and down button here, and a power on button. If we look here to the side, we'll see that we have a USB port, and also if we look underneath, we'll see we actually have a Connex card reader built into the box. So if we rotate the unit around, and I might come to the front of the table again to show this. If we just look at the main events here, the first thing to note is that we have an RF in here with a T2 tuner, so it'll work both with Sairview in Ireland and also Freeview in the UK. We have a satellite input, and traditionally people would have used SCART or RCA. In this case, they had RCA to use with older televisions. But of course, most people now will be using a HDMI output, which you can see here, for the full HD picture that's on it. There's a USB port here, and it has a multitude of uses. The first would be, of course, updating firmware to also allow you to use it as a PVR box by adding an external hard drive, to use the media player to play back movies, things like that. Or also, indeed, if we wanted to use a Wi-Fi dongle, connect the box directly onto a Wi-Fi network. We have an Ethernet port here where we can hardwire in the same solution. And what we have here is we have an RS-232 cable here. That's not really used anymore, but if it was, it'd be for things like software recovery, to force software onto the box if somebody's trying to change firmware and makes a mistake. And we have a digital optical output here as well. And of course, finally, we have the power input here, which I said was 12 volts, 2 amps. So overall, we'll say it's a really good quality box. It's part of a much wider range of Amiko, Saab, Odyssey, and other boxes on it. One of the golden rules we have here when we're stocking boxes is no unit that has a return rate of more than 1% is stocked on an ongoing basis. So it's built it up over a period of time here at freetv.ie, where we've really premium quality suppliers selling premium quality products, all available on freetv.ie.